Here, tell me what you just said.
Mama, take a picture inside.
No, tell me what you said.
Mama, I want to take a picture inside.
Of what?
My gopher.
What's in it?
An egg.
How many?
2.
2 eggs? What?
Take a picture.
How'd they get in there?
Take a picture.
Did you swallow the eggs whole? Are you sure? How'd they get in there? Can you get them out?
They popped in there.
That's so silly.
Yeah. Hey, what's the other egg? Come out, other egg.
That's silly.
There's only one.
It disappeared.
Told you my eggs are magic.
That's awesome.
Magic. Yeah.